Look at those fluffiest, lightest pancakes. Oh, the smell coming off here, you know, you've got that vanilla coming through there. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making pancakes. Now, I've made pancakes before on the channel, but I've made English style pancakes which are flat. We are making fluffy pancakes that you get in the restaurants or American style pancakes. We're making a fluffy pancake, and now this is a request, so I'm going to crack on and show you how to do it. What we have to do, we have to make some buttermilk because I do not have buttermilk. Easy to do. 2 cups of milk in there, and all we're going to do is add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now you can add lemon juice or anything like that. Then all we'll do is we'll just give that a little stir in there, and we'll leave it for about 10 minutes, and that will be buttermilk. So while we're on, we'll just crack a couple of eggs in here. Oh, broke that one up. Got a couple of eggs in there. Okay, before we finish the wet ingredients then, we need to get the dry ingredients mixed. Now in there I've got our flour. In here we've got the sugar, the salt, the baking powder and the baking soda. Now we need to give that just a little mix in there. We want it all fully incorporated in there, you know. Wet ingredients. We've got our 2 eggs in there. We're going to go in there with just a little bit of vanilla. You know, that vanilla flavour through those pancakes is delicious. We've got our melted butter, and we've got our buttermilk. So all we're going to do is bring all that egg milk mixture together. We tip that in there and mix in. Okay, so what we got going on there then, we've got all the aeration going on in there with the baking soda and the baking powder, and that's puffed up. It's a bit carbon dioxide actually, and that's ready to go. Bob, just a little bit of oil in that pan. Looks a lot, it's not a lot. What we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of kitchen towel, and we're just going to rub it all the way around and up the sides, everywhere. And we're going to keep the kitchen towel for the next one. And then you use whatever you want of choice to make your pancake. So I've got this. We're going to give it a little push down and a little push out. So that's moving quite solid on there, so it must have firmed up underneath. So all we're going to do is flip it over, and look at that. Fluffy, fluffy pancakes. And when you think it's done, out it comes. That little bit of oil on there, a quick rub round on there like that, and then we're ready for the next one. Now the secret to making these really good, nice fluffy pancakes is not to have them so super duper thick. Now once you've flipped it, don't try and move it till it sets up. When it sets up, it'll just glide. See what I mean? It just glides in the pan. Don't worry about moving it. It has to set up at the bottom when you turn it. And then once it's already set, obviously you can flip it. It's a lot easier. You can't flip it when it's running, because as it comes down in the pan, it'll squash out. But you can flip it any time now. Make sure you get that even cooking all the way through there. Cook right through to the center, and it's going to be light and fluffy. Perfect. Okay, out. Oily cloth. Look at those fluffiest, lightest pancakes. Oh, the smell coming off here, you know, you've got that vanilla coming through there. Let's give them a try. A little bit of maple flavoured syrup on here. Oh. Look how light and fluffy they are. Look at that. They are amazing. Oh, so light, so fluffy. They are absolutely delicious. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.